Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about breakdown maintenance versus preventive maintenance. Let's jump right into it. In the world of maintaining equipment and machinery, there are two main approaches: breakdown maintenance and preventive maintenance. Each has its own benefits and drawbacks, and understanding the difference between them can help you make informed decisions for your business. Let's break it down in simple terms. Breakdown maintenance. Breakdown maintenance is pretty much what it sounds like, waiting until something breaks down before fixing it. This approach might seem cost-effective upfront since you're only spending money on repairs when absolutely necessary. However, it comes with some significant downsides. When equipment breaks down unexpectedly, it can lead to costly downtime. Imagine a production line halting because a critical machine suddenly stops working. Not only do you have to pay for repairs, but you're also losing out on potential revenue while the equipment is out of commission. Plus, emergency repairs often cost more and can be rushed, leading to temporary fixes instead of long-term solutions. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance, on the other hand, is all about being proactive. Instead of waiting for something to break, you regularly inspect and service your equipment to keep it running smoothly. This can involve tasks like lubricating moving parts, replacing worn-out components, and cleaning filters. While preventive maintenance does require an initial investment of time and resources, it can ultimately save you money in the long run. By identifying and addressing issues before they escalate, you can minimize unexpected breakdowns and maximize the lifespan of your equipment. Plus, scheduled maintenance can be planned around your production schedule, reducing the impact on your operations. In conclusion, both breakdown maintenance and preventive maintenance have their place in equipment management. By understanding the differences between them and evaluating your specific needs, you can choose the approach that best fits your business goals and budget. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.